Today, we are going to have a virtual tour on Kanchenjunga National Park. Tucked within the tiny Himalayan state of Sikkim is the Kanchenjunga National Park. It is a UNESCO World Heritage Site, also known as Mixed Heritage Site of India. It is situated in the north and west districts of the Indian state Sikkim. It is one of the few high-altitude national parks of India. This park has 20 peaks above 6,000 meters. It includes the world's third highest peak, Mount Kanchenjunga. This park covers an area of 1,784 kilometers squares. This park has been made to save the endangered species of plants and animals. In this park, trekking is a common activity. Beside all this, it has a variety of flora and fauna which add to the beauty of this park. The vegetation of the park includes temperate broadleaf and mixed forests consisting of oaks, fir, beech, maple, willow, and many more. This park contains many mammal species including musk deer, snow leopard, Himalayan tahar, sloth bear, Himalayan black bear, red panda, which is also the state animal, as well as reptiles including rat, snake, and many more. For now, let's limit our trip as this park has 124 mammal species, 300 bird species, 1,580 kinds of plants, and many more yet to cover. This was a brief tour to this park. Thank you. Hope you all liked our tour.